What if the most important skill for the future isn't learning more information, but learning how to access more of your own mind? Hi, my name is Armin Dupuy, and for over half a century, I've been studying and teaching higher states of consciousness, particularly the alpha and theta brainwave levels. During that time, I've worked with people from many walks of life, helping them discover how their own subconscious mind influences confidence, creativity, adaptability, learning, performance, and success. Today, we are entering a world transformed by artificial intelligence. But here's what I believe. AI will not replace human potential. It will magnify it. The people who will thrive in the future will be those people who learn how to combine powerful technology with higher levels of human consciousness. On this channel, you'll discover higher states of consciousness, alpha and theta brainwave states, the subconscious mind, leadership consciousness, human potential, creativity and innovation, AI, and personal transformation. If you are ready to explore what's possible when you learn how to use more of your mind, subscribe now, and let's begin this journey together.